Hey guys, what's going on? I'm trying to make a thumbnail for my YouTube video. I'm trying to show y'all some of the stuff I use. I'm going to use this background eraser. Load my photo. Choose. You see the first image I already cut out. Let's go to let's get this one. I'm trying to cut out this hummingbird so I can make a bunch of birds in one picture. Click it. Alright, now hit the zoom. Hit the zoom button and then choose manual is what I choose. Then just start tracing. When I first started doing it, it was kind of hard, but once you start doing it, it's kind of easy. And if you mess up, just say you can always back to start again. This is about the best background eraser that I have found. When you get to certain spots, you can change it to kind of get a better background, so you can kind of see what you're doing a little bit. You can hear my son talking background. Anyway, I'll just kind of show you this little video. I use different apps on my phone. I got an Android to make these YouTube videos. I love editing. I love doing stuff like this, so this is real fun to me. I like doing stuff like this and then seeing the final picture, see what it looks like. But in this, I made a hummingbird video, and I need a thumbnail to attract people to the video. So I screenshotted a bunch of. I made the videos on the on my GoPro, and then I made the video, and then I went and screenshotted a bunch of these birds, and I'm just gonna cut them out and put them in one picture. That way it looks really good. So if you see, I'm gonna try to put this video together. That way you kind of see how I do it, and you kind of use this to make your own videos. Anyway, that's pretty much it. I got it cut out, and then you hit manual, kind of expand. See how I expand the circle, make it wider, bigger, and then you just cut the rest of it out. Cut out the main part. I have to get it down. There's a lot of features on this app that you can use. A lot of features. I highly recommend getting this. Even like, if you're just doing a personal picture and you want to cut out stuff on it, you can just. It's really easy to use. I've been using this one for years. Never had a problem with it. You just cut the rest of it out, so you can change the background that you can see a little better, and then just cut the rest of it out. Sometimes you get kind of too fast and you just leave a little piece on there sometimes, so a lot of times just kind of zoom in, use this, make sure there ain't nothing around it that I missed, like this. Alright, and then I'm done, make sure there ain't nothing else. I'm done. I go hit done, go to the next page, and you can also color. Alright, so you see the 0, 1, 2, 3, all the way to 5. You say if you hit 5, it makes it smaller, but it makes a line. So I cut it out pretty good, so I'm gonna do 0. If I wanna just say, look at the beak, if I wanna take that white off, you say 3 takes the white off, so actually 3 might look pretty good. Let me see. Let's see. We'll stay with 0 because I cut it out pretty good. This is pretty easy. Some pictures kind of hard to cut out. But anyway, this is it. I'm done. I hit save, finish. That's it. So in this video, I'll show you how to use the background eraser. Thank you for watching.
Check it out.
Thank y'all for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel, hit that bell for notifications. That way you can see my other videos. And soon I will be posting a video on how to make a thumbnail using Canva app. Thank y'all for watching. Have a blessed day. Check out my channel.